Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to delete a Google account from your phone. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's get started. First, you have to go to your phone settings, or you can swipe down and look for the gear icon. And what you're going to do here on your phone settings is you have to simply scroll down and look for your Google account. So every Android has different options and features, but in my case, in my Android, I have to click user and accounts. Others will tap Google account. And then here in my users and account, I have to tap on Google. It will take me directly to the list of my Google account right here. Now, in order for you to simply delete a Google account, just tap on the specific Google account and you can see here sync calendar, contacts, etc. You just have to click these two dots at the top right corner and you will see the option remove account, and all you have to do in order for you to delete this is tap on remove account. Now if you want to remove another Google account, then you need to go back and then look for the specific Google account, tap that one, and again you have to click this two dots at the top right corner and then tap on remove account. And then basically they will ask you if you really want to remove this account. Like it's like a warning if you want to remove account. So once you have decided to remove, just tap on remove account and it will delete your account here, or delete your Google account from your phone. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.